What's up, you guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Whew. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I uploaded my last video on my hair, about the growth of my hair, about everything about my hair. In today's video, we're gonna talk about it. I'm going to show you. I got this little wrap on my hair right now. But when I take it down, I'm going to show you all how long my hair has grown. And I need to wash it today, to be honest. I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to be retwisting my hair using my homemade flaxseed gel, which I just uploaded that video the other day. So I'll put that down in the description. You can go and check out how I make the flaxseed gel and everything. And yeah, we're going to show you how that looks. But first, let me show you how far my hair have come. Okay, so I started this journey back in July 18th, 2019. Okay, that's when I did the comb coils in my hair, which I got videos on that. Okay, so that's when I did it. Today is August 31st. It has been 5 years, you guys, since I have been growing my babies out. I call them my babies. Since I've been growing them out, and it has been a journey. Me and this hair have been through a lot in these 5 years. I have came to the point one time where I was ready to chop it off. Okay, I was ready to get rid of it altogether, but I'm like, I'm just not gonna do my babies like that right now. I really wanted to be honest, I really wanted to get down to about here before I actually think about cutting it or trimming it or something. I really don't know. I just wanted to grow and be healthy and just, I love my hair, okay? I do plan to get it dyed soon or some kind of way, just get something different. And the way my hair is, I want to get the back kind of shaved off as well, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the back. I don't want to show you the back, but I'm being real and showing you guys how my hair actually looks and what it's going through. So I'm going to take this off. Don't y'all run and scream, okay? Because it's a mess. Okay, you ready? Y'all ready? Okay. Okay. Here we go. 5 years of growth. Okay, this is it. This is my hair. This is how it looks now. And I got a lot of it, and I'm absolutely loving it. Okay, I love my hair. Sometimes it can be, I pull it up in a ponytail, but I love it. As you see, I have a lots and lots of new growth. Lots and lots of new growth. That's why I say, it is way overdue for me to get it retwisted. And a lot of times I do retwist it myself. I haven't actually been to someone to retwist it in a while now. So I've been doing the best that I can. I do not use any other products on my hair. I actually want to start using rosemary water, maybe just throughout the week or something, kind of spritz my hair once a day or whatever. Just my roots and things like that. It's real sensitive now. It's not that it hurts when I put it in the ponytail sometimes, but sometimes it does. Or like if I'm sitting and my hair, y'all understand if you got long locks. But it's just sensitive. That's why I can't do like a lot of hairstyles and things like that. I'm not for all that because it really pulls and hurts my hair. But yeah, I'm just simple. A lot of times I have it down or I have it up in a bun and I go about my day, okay? Put my hairband on, I put it in a ponytail. But I just wanted to show you some of the spots in my hair, y'all, that needs, I'm so sorry, I know this stuff looking rough. Some of them are thin, like this one. You see how thin it was? Longer than that, and it was a piece that was on here, as you see from the ends, kind of straggling. I had to actually cut it off, but this is like the skinniest one I have, okay? And it's actually long. It comes down to the side here. So there are a few. There are some that I do not, you know, I'm kind of iffy about. Like that's kind of skinny on the end. There were a lot when I first started that, I don't know if people call them duck feet, but they were combined so you can see like they are together. You know, it's in there somewhere. But of course, having locks, they're going to be different sizes. They're not always going to be the same. They do their own thing. That's what I love about them. They have their own little personality. I'm just here for it. I'm going to show you the back. Now, y'all, the back, I don't really have no hair back there. Okay? Like, literally, I don't. I don't know. I had two that actually came out. This was probably a year ago. Two came out. Don't know why, but that's probably all about two that came out. And then I had one probably was really thin that came apart like this one was. As you see, this little skinny one right here. This is actually my hair growing back because it was one that came really thin and came off. So I actually want to take the one that I do have that did come off. I want to attach it back on here. I may try or either get someone to do it. But anyway, this how far it has grown. Probably been a year now. So yeah, I kind of tucked that in. But as you see, the back is not a lot. And I really want to get it cut about here. So I just take this. I thought about taking this and attaching it to that. Take that off. But I want to get it cut here and get it shaved and shaped up. So that's what I want to do with my hair. Yeah. This thing is about to get washed. And a lot of times when you do wash it and it kind of stretches out some more, but this is it. 5 years. This is where I'm at. This is how it looks. My ends are like a brownish color. Not sure this from when I got it dyed, when I was probably a year, almost 2 years when I got my hair dyed. I haven't got it dyed since then, but this is the color of it, if you can see it. And then I have like a sandy, not sandy, but like a dark brown color to my hair. You see all the new growth. I'm about to wash it in the shower, and then we're going to retwist this thing up and get it all spanking new. Okay, so be sure to continue to follow. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel and see this journey of my hair, be sure to subscribe. And yeah, let's get on to washing my hair. So I changed my shirt because I didn't want the shirt I had on to get wet, but this will be the shampoo that I'm going to be using. It is by Mayel. It is Mayel's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. I have been using this. And also I'll be using her strengthening leave-in conditioning as well. So, and it does smell good. I like that rosemary smell. That's why I say that I do want to get like some rosemary to spray my hair throughout the week or whatever, or throughout the day, so that I still can keep up that rosemary scent, or, you know, just the benefits of the rosemary. All right, so let's lather this on my hair and get started.
What else you want?
Yeah, I heard. Finished shampooing my hair. As you see, it has stretched down because it's heavy and wet, so it is longer than before I washed it. So this is how it's looking wet. Whew. Okay, so now I am about to use the strengthening leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna put that from my roots to ends. Oops. Like so. All the way down to my ends. Because those are the, I guess they call it dead hair or old hair. And it can get very dry at times, and so I do want to try to keep my hair somewhat moisturized. Like I said, I don't put any products on my hair. I don't even have like some oil or anything, which I need to I guess they say seal in the moisture. Like I said, I don't really do all that kind of stuff, but I may need to some. I keep it simple, real simple when I'm doing my hair. I'm trying to squeeze out this bottle, giving me a ton. But I'm gonna finish doing that, and then it's going to be time to twist with the flaxseed gel and sit under the dryer and go all about my day. Okay, so now that I have finished putting my hair in, using the leave-in conditioner, I am now going to use my flaxseed gel. Like I said, I do have a video down below how to make this. This is a little liquidy than I would have liked, but it still has like that gel-like consistency. Try to show you all without spilling it. But as you see, it still has like the slimy gel-like consistency. It's thick, okay? So I will only be using a little at a time on each twist. All right, let's get started. So I have finished retwisting my hair, and I just put them in these twists. I put about 4 together and 2-string twist them, and kind of put some rubber bands on the end and folded them up. So now I'm about to get up under the dryer for about I don't know, maybe 15 minutes, and the rest I will most likely let air dry. I have to go out anyway, and it's hot outside, and it will dry. I have done that before. I've gone outside when it's hot and let it air dry. But yeah, let's get this dry, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna take them loose, or I may just leave it till tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see. So I am finished with the dryer, taking the clips out. It is like semi-wet a little, but I did sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. And like I said, I'm gonna let the rest air dry because I do not like to put a lot of heat on my hair. So yeah, anyway, what I did was just put it back in the ponytail for the day. And I think I'll just take it loose tomorrow before church and let you guys see it. So yeah, see you guys in the morning. Okay, so it's the next morning. I am already dressed for church, but I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists out so we can see how it looks. This is the final look of my hair. Better put a clip. This is the back, and I love it. Yep, I will plan to do more of these twist outs. If I left it out, if I left it twisted a couple days, it'd probably be more curlier. But yeah, I do love it. so that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow me on my hair journey and see how long it really gets. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.